It's Mark Skousen. I was born here in Arizona, and my father was a farmer, my grandfather was a farmer, and my great-grandfather was a farmer in Arizona. So we've owned this farm for 67 years. We're limited to one well for our farm, and it produces 1,200 gallons a minute. So to increase the amount of acres we farm, we have to be more efficient with the water. So to be able to water only what you want to grow, where you want to grow it, and when you want to water it was a definite advantage. So we've had end drip in our field 6 for over a year now, and the first crop was produced, and it was Bermuda. We grew Bermuda hay, and it did more efficient and a little higher yield, and was less maintenance than our flood irrigation. So the pumping cost per acre is less. The pump still uses the same amount of electricity, but per acre on the end drip was less. So end drip, you put on water exactly where you want and the amount you want. And flood irrigation is a disadvantage that it takes twice as much water to push the water across the field that you need. So with flood irrigation, you're 50% inefficient to start with, and you can't overcome that. With end drip, you can overcome that. So they totally designed the system from start to finish. They installed the system, they maintained the system, and trained my employees to use the system, so it was real good. The water table is dropping in Arizona. In order to keep agriculture, you're going to have to use less water. So the end drip has a 50% increase in efficiency, so that would make 50% better utilization of the water. End drip should make this farm productive and large enough that it could be passed to my kids or to anyone else that would want to farm because of the amount of acres that you can farm with end drip.